Example, you want to go to the gym every morning. Start with tying your shoelaces and getting out of the house as soon as you wake up. Begin with something which will take you less than 2 minutes to do. The 2-minute rule helps to break down the habit into one easy little step at a time. Next, add walking or driving to the gym or exercising for 5 minutes instead of an hour. Build upon your new habit and create your own system by incrementally increasing a small chunk of the change in behavior every single time. The idea is to make it easy for you to gradually shape your habit into your intended behavioral outcome. For example, maybe you want to stop compulsive browsing on the internet. Here, a commitment device will help you make an easy choice in the present and control your actions in the future. Try something like an outlet timer for the power plug, which can help to break your addiction of browsing the internet obsessively. This device literally times out, and let's say at 10 p.m. and only started at 6 a.m. So during the time in between, your Wi-Fi shuts down, making it really easy for you to break your late night internet browsing marathon sessions. Now, you have no option but to relax, catch up on sleep, or hang out with your family. Note, once in a while is not the way to create habits. You have to show up and do it again and again and again, even if you are doing very small things at a time. Repetition is the mother of change. It is more powerful than showing up every once in a while and trying to do more.